Is it?
What?
All right, well, I'm doing a quick video here. It's Thursday. We just got out here. It's, what time is it?
6:47.
6:47. We just barbecued some chicken. It's been raining since we got up on the North Island. It just stopped right now, but it's been on and off all night tonight.
There's squid in the harbor.
Squid in the harbor.
Squid.
And it's cold. The water's cold here right now.
Yeah.
Saw some immature eagles flying around just on that pole there. Or, yeah. One of them anyways, I don't know. That's it. First, we haven't started fishing. Going out tomorrow. Everybody's like, what are you doing? It's going to be windy out there. We laugh, and it's always like that.
Winter Harbor. Either you commit or you just stay home.
Yeah.
Sell your boat. That's like the why don't go fishing.
Yeah. Oh. Going, Jim? Good, good.
I do, yeah. I'm filming them.
Hi everybody, so thanks for watching pretty much my first attempt at making a video, doing video editing. It's all just self-taught. Hope you like it. If you do, click a like and subscribe. Hopefully I'll get more up there as I get better at doing this stuff. And I will try to get more actual video of us actually catching the fish, not just photos, and of the cooking process that my wife does. But yeah, this is just an attempt to show how much my good buddy Jim and I love fishing and love the food that we catch out of it. So hope you like it too, and if you do, subscribe. Thanks.